Don't want to be disturbed by the sensitive content on X? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to enable sensitive content on Twitter. Let's get started. First, open Twitter. Tap on your profile picture at the top left. Tap on Settings and Support at the bottom. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Privacy and Safety. Tap on Content You See. Then select Sensitive Media. You can change the setting to Never or Warn by simply tapping on it. You can change likes over other options as well. And that is how to enable sensitive content on X. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.